Welcome to the Academy Online Campus of Professional Development and Certifications. Here you will find 3 distinctive educational tracks to work through on your way to Rockstar Master Certification. All journeys start with the Rockstar Onboarding series of courses, up to 1.5 hours each, and are designed as starter courses or to update an individual's knowledge. Upon completion of a course exam, students will get a downloadable badge. Courses include Introduction to Cleaning 22, General Safety, Hazard Communications, Customer Service, General Cleaning, Infection Prevention, Restroom Care, Carpet Care, Resilient Floor Care, and Classroom Care. The Rockstar Tactician series of courses will then take this knowledge and apply it to skills training. Thus, individuals will have prior knowledge of the basic skills required for operation of equipment, tools, and processes, which will enhance on-site instruction and retention. These courses average up to 1 hour in length and cover skills like cleaning windows, operation of upright vacuums, low-speed floor machines, just to name a few. Once a student completes the onboarding, tactician, and expert levels, they can then attend a 4-day masterclass in person at a regional campus to obtain their graduate degree from the Academy. We welcome you to join thousands of others from around the world who have taken accreditation courses over the last decade on their way to certified knowledge here at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence online campus.